Let's go to question 30. 30 is speak about earth science again. The two sections A and B. There are two sections A and B. Represent a sedimentary succession in distance area. Sedimentary one. Sedimentary rocks is a layer of sediments are laid over each other. But here, the sediments are not as a layer. Okay, let's read it again. If each of XY and LM, XY and LM represent different geological structures. They are different geological structures. Which of the following represent both of them? Which of these choices are the right one? First, XY angular unconformity. LM is normal fault. Okay. B, XY non-conformity. LM reversed fault. Okay. C, XY disconformity. LM normal fault. LM is a normal fault. XY disconformity. LM is a reversed fault. Reversed fault. Let's go to the answer. Answer is D. D is the right one. XY is disconformity. Disconformity. XY is disconformity. LM is a reversed fault. Yes, it's a reversed fault because it moves. Let's go to 31. Question number 31 speak about leucolyte. Leucolyte is a normal dumps. Yes, earth science. Let's read the question. Which of the following structure is associated with leucolyte normal dumps? There are phenomena are associated with leucolyte. Let's find it. Number A, fold with a youngest layer in the center. Number B, fold with the wings converging at the top. I think that wing is right. Let's read the other. C, fold in which the hanging wall rocks move downward. No. Fold which the rock movement is horizontal. So the answer will be B. Folds with the wings converge at the top. That means the two wings are up, converging at the top. Yes, the leucolyte normal dumps. Let's go to 32. 32 question is about the branch of geology specialized in making numbered maps of mineral ores. We speak about the mineral ores, its economic value in the earth science. Number A, mineralogy. B, geophysics. C, paleontology. D, lithology. We find the maps specialized, the number mapped of mineral ores. It's not paleontology, it's not lithology, but geophysics. Geophysics is speak about the mineral and find the ores and making maps, the maps here to find what are the mineral found, where the found the mineral. Now we go to the questions with the 2 marks. We must speak carefully about the 2 marks. We not have to lose them. 2 marks for each question. Number 33, we speak about these parts of bone. This part of bone contains many structures. Some of them are bone, some of them are ligaments, and some of them are cartilage. Let's speak about the question and read it. Which type of tissue determines the direction of which of these bones move at the joint showing the provided figure? Oh, here we speak about the direction of these bone movement. Which part are determine the direction? Are these ligaments, cartilage, or bones? I say it's ligaments. We speak about the structure of the ligaments. Number A, skeletal connective tissue. No, it's not a skeletal connective tissue. It's connective and muscular tissue. No. C, strong connective tissue. No. So the answer is fibrous connective tissue. That's the answer. That's show where the direction of movement of these joints. It's fibrous connective tissue. Let's go to question number 34. 34 speak about the hormones. Which of the following pairs of hormones are more similar in their effect on carbohydrate metabolism? We speak about the metabolism. Which hormones are affected in metabolism? Insulin, glucagon, adrenaline, cortisone, thyroxine. Let's speak about two of them are similar in their effect on the carbohydrate. Insulin and glucagon. Glucagon here is the opposite effect of insulin. The glucagon and adrenaline. Adrenaline is the fear hormone, which is the same effect of glucagon. Insulin and cortisone, no. Cortisone and thyroxine, no. The answer is B. Glucagon and adrenaline. They have the same effect in carbohydrate metabolism. Let's go to question number 35. Question number 35, from your study of tissue culture, what can grow in coconut milk as a suitable medium and produce a complete plant? Here is a tissue culture. Tissue culture has a conditions. Which condition? It must be a tissue with a complete number of chromosomes, 2n, not half of a chromosome. Let's go to number A and read it. Pollen grain of all plant. No, pollen grain has half number of chromosomes. It's not useful for tissue culture. Number B, piece of tobacco, plant roots, maybe because it contains a whole number of chromosomes. Ovule of rare plant. No, ovule have a half number of chromosomes. It's not suitable for a tissue culture. Plants infected with a disease. Any plant infected with a disease, it hasn't a complete, healthy, complete plant produced. So the answer must be B. Piece of tobacco plant roots that is more effective to make a complete plant. Number 36. Question number 36 is speak about the individual and the produced spirogyra. Let's read the question and know what the question needs. What is the maximum number of individuals that could be produced by spirogyra filament that is built from 50 cells when it produced asexually by mitosis? Maximum number of cells produced by 50 cells. In mitosis division, each cell produces another cell. So it will be 150, it will be 100 or more. So will we find 100 as a number? 1, no. 2, no. 25, no. 50. Where is the 100? The maximum number here is 50. We will search about 100. There is 100, but there is 50 number of cells. It will be the answer, the right answer. Yes, it's 50. It's not 50 is the right answer, but it is the choices, the maximum choices. Let's go to question number 37. Which of the following substances is found in the membrane of the human female egg? The human female egg are attacked by the sperms. Attacked by the sperm to penetrate it to make the zygote. When it attacked by the sperm apical cells have hyaluronase enzyme which dissolve the hyaluronic acid which is around the ovum. Let's find the hyaluronic acid. Number E, hyaluronic acid is the choices. Let's read the other choices and decide. Hyaluronic acid enzyme, no, it will be found in the apical cell of the sperm. Polar body and hyaluronic acid, no, the polar body is not at the outer membrane. Hyaluronic acid and hyaluronic acid enzyme, no, the answer is number A. Hyaluronic acid is found in the female egg. So let's go to question number 38. Question number 38, what do interferons bind to? Interferons is a chemical substances which help in immunity. Cells infected by virus and cell infected by virus, cells infected by virus and their neighboring healthy cells, no, cells neighboring to the cells infected by virus. Interferons help in immune in the cell neighboring the infected by virus to help it to make immune. So the answer will be D. Cell neighboring to the cells infected by the virus. This is the answer. Let's go to question number 39. Which of the following does not express the immunoglobulin structure? Immunoglobulin structure. Let's read it again without fun. Which of the following does not express? Does not express. It's not. Immunoglobulin structure. Number E, 4 polypeptide chain. 2 pairs of polypeptide chain. They are same. They are 4. Huh? Yes, that's 4. But we must find not expressed. Okay, 1 constant region and 3 variable region of polypeptide. There are 4. We must find not. That's 1. 2 long chain and 2 short chain of polypeptide. 1, 3, 2 pairs, 2 polypeptide. The answer it must be 1 constant region and 3 variable region of polypeptide. That's the answer. 39. Let's go to 40. 40 is a figure. Let's study the figure. The figure here, by my vision, that's a chromosome. E. The chromosome consists of condensed part of chromatin. That's the chromatin, and that the DNA coiled on a histone, and the condensed parts of DNA coiled on a histone. Let's go to the question. 40. Which of the 5 lettered stages represent the chromatin? Oh, the chromatin. We are labeled it before, so the chromatin is number C. We find the answer B. Chromatin is number C. Let's go to 41. 41. Which of the following statement best describes the genome? Genome is a media of the genetic trait. Where are the genetic traits found? It is a number of chromosomes found in one cell. Each cell contains the copy of genome. In the living organism, there are a fixed type of chromosome, fixed number of chromosomes. In human being, there are 46 chromosomes in each cell, so the genome found in each cell is number of chromosomes found in each cell. Let's go to the choices. Number A, all the gene in each somatic cell, all the gene in each somatic cell, all the gene in all somatic cell. No, in all somatic cells, that means 46 chromosomes from multiplying of million numbers of cells. All the gene in each individual. No, that means infinitive number of gene. All the gene in each DNA molecule. No. So the answer, it will become A. A, all the gene in each somatic cell, 46 chromosome for the human being is a copies. One copy in each cell. So the answer, all the gene in each somatic cell. Let's go to 42. 42, if the codon UGG stands for the amino acid is tryptophan. Tryptophan is a protein, a type of protein, has a code. The code is UGG, is a standard code. It's not differentiated from one person to another or from living organism to another. It's a code, UGG for tryptophan. In the genetic code, which of the following living organism is exception for this rule? Organism, no exception. There is no exception. Let's read the choices and find the answer. Bacteria and other prokaryotic, no exception. Influenza and polymyelitis virus, no exception. Protista and fungi, no exception. So the answer is no exception. UGG is tryptophan enzyme, tryptophan protein, amino acid, tryptophan amino acid. It is no exception. So the answer is D. There is no exception. That's the code UGG for tryptophan. Let's go to 43. 43, let's go again to earth science. Earth science here is the formation of the river. The formation of the river is the figure, yes? Let's read the question. In front of you is a geological section that reminds the geological events that this area was exposed to in order. A, it was exposed to tensile forces and then erosion. It was exposed to tensile forces and then sedimentation. It was exposed to compressive forces and then erosion. Okay, it was exposed to compressive forces and then sedimentation and site comatite, rhyolite, basalt. So the answer is C. C, it was exposed to compression, compressive forces and then erosion. Let's go to 44. 44 is speak about the, let's read the question and then decide. The following blocks represent different igneous rocks of the same size. Same size. Igneous rocks. So, thrown at the same moment, a swimming pool. It will be asked for the density. Igneous rocks has density, specific density. Let's read and decide. Swimming pool filled with water. The density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Which of the following rocks remains floating? There are many types: basalt, andesite, bomex, granite. So the answer will be bomex, because it will float. Float, that means the density of it is less than 1 gram per cubic centimeter, is less than the density of water. Let's go the two questions that we call them essay question. The 45 question is what is the immune cells that are activated by interleukins. They are two types of cell, beta cell and T helper cell, that are activated by interleukins. The last questions, which organism or organisms that can reproduce by binary vision without the nucleus. Yes, binary vision without nucleus means it's a prokaryotic. Dividing mitosis, explain your answer. That means bacteria. Bacteria, because they are prokaryotes without any nucleus, because they have nucleus envelope, no nucleus envelope. That means the genetic material swim at the cytoplasm. So we have 46 questions. I hope you have benefited from this